A raccoon. This female needs to take extra care. She's a mom. But raccoons aren't the only ones with a taste for city living. With that hawk nearby, she needs to stick around. There may be safety in numbers, and something's gotta give. It's a chance for the eldest kit to bid farewell to the family. As Mom watches him go, he's tentative at first. But soon, he's free soloing with ease. His super-sensitive paws help him find the safest footholds. And they're not bad for shucking snails, either. But alone on the parapet, he needs to keep on his toes. Yeah, nice move. He's gonna be just fine.